So I just copped this brand new camera, the Sony a6300, out here taking pictures with my boy Manny. And yeah, you know, this is the first video I do in vlogging. I want to see if it's a good vlogging camera, because it is the camera that I bought for my trip to cover my events and do some crazy content. So I mean, so far the videos I've taken of him with the light and everything look amazing. The lights stand out super good. I just don't know if it's good for vlogging, so let's see. So that was the first vlog in this camera. I think it came out pretty good. I'm not sure. I hope it came out pretty well. You know, this is a test vlog. Don't know if this will ever get posted or not. But yeah, those are some little dope clips that we recorded. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're heading to New York tomorrow. This is what it looks like. I hope it doesn't finish our flights, but... So right now we're getting prepared for the trip. We have to go get an international driver license so we can drive in other country. You guys don't know where yet, but you guys will know. I have to get a stabilizer for the camera and a Gorilla Pod, because the one I have isn't strong enough to hold this camera. So I want to see if the microphone is working good, the audio, because I'm not sure if it's working good. And yeah, that's basically it. So we'll catch you guys at Best Buy.
You have the receipt?
Now, got the gimbal on deck. That shit was really expensive, but I'm trying to make the best content possible, so it's an investment. Now we have to go get the international's driver license, and I think that should be it for preparations. So we just got the pictures taken, and now I'm pretty sure that wraps up preparing for the trip.
Just like that, the trip's ready to start.
Highs to lows, yeah. Highs to lows. I go from highs to lows.
OMG burger? Here, thank you.
I ordered it for myself.
You got the cream?
Can't say I've been doing okay. And I can't wait to really get paid, not just minimum wage. Yeah, fake gold on my hoops, real rips in my pants. They think it's all Gucci, but it's 99 cents, I swear. Yeah, I swear. Who you wanna help me? Who you wanna find me out?
So I actually haven't recorded much because it's been too cold outside for me to hold the camera, and my fingers like literally like freeze. But we're out here chilling in a coffee shop right now, and it actually looks pretty good. But I'm feeling desserts with my girl, so after this we're gonna get that, and you guys will be seeing that. Now I get some slow-mo, Mato sipping his. Just left the coffee shop. Now we're walking to the dessert place, so it's like a 10-minute walk. It's a little cold out here, 39 degrees. Not used to this, I'm from Miami, so yeah, it looks pretty chilling out here. Cooling. I'll show you guys how those desserts look, because we saw pictures and they look pretty amazing, so you guys will see that soon.
My mom came.
We got the shake on deck. We're about to eat that. It looks really fire. You gonna take the picture? Yes, see that.
You wanna sell me? I took a bite, that's a go play, a go play. I go from highs to lows. Highs to lows. I go from highs to lows. Highs to lows. Real diamonds, I want them but I can't find them. Timing, he said it's just bad timing. Lying,
pulled up to Soho. We're gonna go eat something before the event out here with the boy George. And yeah, so we're pretty hungry, so we're definitely gonna eat before we pull up to the venue and start setting up everything for the event. But things are looking good, except the weather, because it's way too cold, but whatever.